children. Sit down, everybody. Maintain distance. Maintain distance. Okay. Okay. Fine. Comfort now. Very good. Children, I am why calling here. You know, this is our auditorium. What is this? Auditorium. Whatever you smart classes, any pictures, theater also, yoga, inside dance practice, whatever. Sometime coming rain, inside also you playing here, playing area also. Okay? Okay. Okay, children. First class. First class is the very important. Why? Because your first step. Step by step, your life is starting. What is doing your father? Job, engineer, doctor. What is your father? Pramod Kumar. What did you do? ఏం చేశారు? क्या करते हैं?
Your father job बेटा.
No, job, business क्या करते हैं? Your father, Anmisha, is your father? Doctor. See, doctor. Very good. Step by step, first class onwards, reading well, discipline, and drawing, activities. So many things. Babu, look here, please. Look here, straight, backbone straight, Betna. This is good for our children, everyone. Doctor. Some children also so many doctors, teachers, businessmen, engineers. No. Something is doing. How? Your father also getting in first class onward, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. That's why your base is the first step is the first class. Which class? Next class? Second class also very important. Why? Because senior KG, junior KG, whatever, Rahman, that is senior KG, junior KG is there. Okay? These are take care of the, you love this. Take care of the father, mother, teacher also. Why? Because that is the senior KG is the 102. Very good. 102. Like this you. Sometimes you not writing you proper. Catch it, hold in it. Please, ma, come here, one teacher. Look here, your mother, something. Look, catch it, hold it. From this side. One. What is this? This one? Look properly. 0. This one? Complete? What is this? Complete? 102 meaning 102. Sometime LKG, UKG, junior KG, senior KG supporting your mother, supporting your teacher. First class, second class onwards, not supporting. You people only do. What about after 102? 102 after? Very good children, 103, like this. After? 102 before? 102 before? What? Very good, 101. Got it. Your talent only show me. Nana, look here. Your talent only show me. That's why children, this period is the very danger also. Sir, what's the danger? Some now corona situation going. కరోనా అगर नहीं रहते तो కరోనా లేకుంటే ముద్దుగా మనం రోజు గ్రౌండ్లో ఆడుకునే వాళ్ళము, మంచిగా పాడుకునే వాళ్ళము, డ్యాన్స్ చేసే వాళ్ళము, మంచిగా అన్ని గ్రూప్గా ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని మంచి పిక్చర్స్ చూసేది. అన్నీ చేసేది. కానీ కరోనా నుంచి ఏమైంది, డిస్టెన్స్ కావాలి కాబట్టి చేయలేదు. అందుకే ఇండివిజువల్ మీరే డైలీ వాట్ ఈస్ టీచర్ టోల్డ్ యూ కంప్లీట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ గో టు ద హోమ్. బాబు look here, Ramcharan, what is your name? What is your name? Pradeep. Satvik. Shiv Satvik. Oh, Shivji. Shiv Maharaj. Shivji the Shiv Satvik. Look here. Very good name. Very good name. See how nowadays very good names is coming. Admisha, Satvik. Your name? Bhavya. Your name? Asra. Sai. Oh, Sai. Akshara. Your name, boy? Your name? Darshit Swami. Your name? Your name? Varun Reddy. Varun Tej. Your name? Khalid. Okay, Muhammad Sir. Your name? Oh, good. See, good names. Okay, good names is there. Your parents also very good, very lovely parents. Why? Because every care, whatever you want, provide the parents. You people be ready to learn. Be ready to learn. ఒక పిల్లోడు బాగుపడాలి, మంచిగా అవ్వాలి, పైకి రావాలి, మంచి ఒక డాక్టరు, ఇంజనీరు, ప్రొఫెసరు, సైంటిస్ట్, ఐఏఎస్, ఐపీఎస్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? చదువుకోవాలి. గుడ్, గివ్ ద క్లాప్స్. ఇలా how something you want, asking your mummy, so coming Sunday I want biryani, mummy. Okay nana, I have prepared the biryani. Some days onwards, what is today? Thursday. Very good. Thursday, your mom told your father calling in office, sir, you coming time, you purchase the carrot, beans, ghee, basmati rice. Something is order given the your father in your mother. Today forgot. Tomorrow also is there, Friday. Friday what do we doing? Friday क्या करता? अपने पापा पूरा सुपरमार्केट जाके खरीद के लाता. రోజు తెస్తాడు. మీ నాన్న మంచోడు కదా, మా నాన్నలాగా, అందుకే రోజు తెస్తాడు. మా నాన్న కూడా రోజు తెస్తాడు. ఓకే, గుడ్. ఎవ్రీ డాడీ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్. సండే చిల్డ్రన్ థింక్ బిర్యానీ వాట్ బిర్యానీ డేట్ ఎప్పుడు ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి మనం? బిర్యానీ సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్. ఎప్పుడు ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి బిర్యానీ? When you had to prepare the biryani? What is doing your father, mother? Thursday onwards. Thursday onwards in preparing. Thursday calling your father purchase the Friday, some items purchase the Saturday. That's why you people want the IAS, IPS, doctor, engineer, what you big position, good position. Now onwards you prepare. Now onwards you ready. Now onwards you discipline maintain. Now onwards you reading. Now onwards you are writing. That will be good for you. ఎవరైనా ఎక్కడైనా ఫంక్షన్ పోతే మంచిగా ముద్దుగా మంచిగా మాట్లాడే పిల్లల్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? మమ్మీ 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 మమ్మీ, పాపా పాపా, ఓ బచ్చా దేఖో గీతా అచ్చా బాత్ కరా అంటామా లేదా? చెప్తామా లేదా? అదే బ్యాడ్ థింగ్స్ మాట్లాడితే మమ్మీ డోంట్ గాడ్ చూయింగ్ బ్యాడ్ వర్డ్స్ మమ్మీ. వాట్ ఈస్ గుడ్? బ్యాడ్ ఆర్ గుడ్? You good children. That's why whatever wherever going in good habits. Reading also time to time you read, time to time complete your homework, time to time you eating good food, healthy food, Healthy food, not eat the chocolates, burger, junk fruits, not eat. Healthy food, you eat vegetable, boiled vegetables, fruits, milk, egg, fish, some is not vegetables also, vegetarian also is there. Vegetarian also there. Dal, chapati, ghee, dosa, idli, something healthy food. Okay, Nana? Okay. Whatever I am telling you tomorrow onwards, you follow, you discipline maintain, you sit in proper class, everyone follow the teacher instructions or your mummy instructions also. Somebody is simply going in a home, watching TV, watching phone. You watching? No? You watching TV? You watching? That is not correct. Timetable. You know, you coming in a timetable, you are coming to school, what is going on? Assembly. Guru Brahma, Vande Mataram, 1, 2, assembly. After assembly, first period. Who is coming first period? Principal sir. Who is coming first period? Say that. Maths teacher, first period teacher, class teacher. First period coming in a whatever subject teacher, and that first period teacher is the class teacher. Maths teacher, first class teacher, which teacher is coming? Maths teacher. Second class children? EVS teacher. What is the maths teacher name? Radhika Reddy. Oh, what is the your class second class teacher name? Manjulata. Oh, very good. You know the names also very nice. First period. How is going? First period maths. Second period EVS. Third period Hindi. Fourth period PT. Fifth period drawing. How is going? Something is no. Okay. Something is the what timetable? Satvik. Something is doing timetable, no? That's why if you people also look at here. What is your name? Karun. Your name? Huh? Drishti Misra. Oh, Misra, our Indian women's captain. Very nice football playing. Sorry, cricket. Okay, Nana. Aima. Papu ko devasham diskoma. Slowly, Nana. Slowly. Okay. Look here. That is a very great person in a batsman in a cricket woman. No, so many people. Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, you know, Kohli. You know Kohli? No? Don't know? You're not watching cricket? What is what? You know that what is that? Doryman? You know that what is that man? Something, what is man? Some name? Mickey Mouse, Shinchan, Mickey Mouse, Superman, Dax, Color, something is. Very good. Okay. That's why what I am telling, listen properly. Timetable is maintained in your home also. Complete not watching the TVs. Complete not watching the phones. Sometime you watch, just limited. Sometime you writing. Sometime you reading. Sometime you practice. Only you only tell. Your teacher, whatever teaching, today is the Thursday, today lesson is the our sir they can discipline, whatever your future planning. What I am telling? Future planning. Today what is the subject? That also okay. Future planning. Now class. This class only future planning. You people go to your home. You also stand in mirror, friend. Oh, I am a Rashmika, I am a Radhika, something, I am a Sushma, I am a Geeta, I am a Pandey, I am a Sachin Tendulkar. Oh, my future plan. Oh, my cricket बनूंगा, cricket खेलूंगा. ऐसा बोलते हैं? खेलूंगा बोल तो खेलते. मम्मी सिंपल आप संडे के लिए बिरयानी करें तो कितने दिन पहले प्रैक्टिस करें? Before 4 days. అందుకే చేస్తానంట. అందుకే మీరు కూడా ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు మంచి ఐఎస్ look here don't see your friend, see Avi is coming, very good, complete uniform, somebody not coming, not correct that, see that girl, complete uniform, shoes, socks, tie, belt, everything is there, good, give the gaps. Okay, tomorrow onwards you people also do some plan. Abdul Kalam Tataya, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, you know sportsman names, some sportsman, any sportsman name? Oh, Tendulkar, you girl side?
Anyone knows sportsman name? Beta names Kohli, Dhoni, Tendulkar, PV Sindhu.
What is PV Sindhu? What playing in kabaddi? CV think which game is playing? Huh? Badminton. Very good boy. Oh, see, how is that boy saying? Very good. Badminton. Dhoni, what is playing? Very good. Cricket. Okay. That's why you people also tomorrow first give some plan. You good engineers, good position, good CEOs, good officers, good jobs you want. First class onwards you plan. Okay, children? Okay? Ready? Everybody following? Okay. Stand up. Slowly stand up.
Where you are, there only stand up. Stand properly. Stand there only.
Okay, children. You know claps? You know school claps? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sit down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Only 3 times.
Only 3 times.
Don't say in your mind, only think, not outside. Okay? Once again. I am telling, start.
Wait.
Stand, wait, ready.
Wait.
Ready. Right. Attention. Oh, very good. Ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Wow. Everybody is a good children. Why? Because I am once only telling 3 times in a school class. Everyone follow. Very good. Very good. Okay, you know silent claps. Sometimes you want silent claps. Oh, so many people, so many children, you know, good children. Silent clap, up hands, like this. This is also very good exercise in our stomach. Up hands, silent clap. Touch the sky. Up. No, don't. Not so. Like this, like this. See, like this. Up, touch the body. Stretch the body. Repeat, teacher, repeat. Oh, down the hand. This is the hand on. This is the silent claps. Okay. You know butterfly claps? Sir, butterfly claps. Look here. I'll show you. Once again, look everyone. Okay, children. Now, you know Abdul Kalam Tataya class? Okay. I am showing. Everyone follow. Look here. Okay. Let's see. Muddeya. Simple. 10th class kaadani. Okay. Look here. Abdul Kalam Tataya class. Stand properly. You know Abdul Kalam Tataya? How he is reading? How he is reading? How he is following? How he is motivate the children? You always telling children, 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 children. Like this. One. Bend everybody. One. Two. No. Sorry. Wait. Pargat, you people very excitement. That's why I am Pargat. Very happiness. Okay. Sir. Like this. One, two, three. Oh, what racket? Find out. Once again.
Again, one more time. No. 1, 2.
Racket.
Okay, one more time. Ready? 1, 2.
Okay, good children. Okay, everyone. Maintain the mask, sanitizers, whatever eating in a hand wash. Your home also. Maintain good things, everyone. Maintain the discipline, maintain the read well. Your focus is the whatever your goal. Whatever your goal. I am a good doctor. I am a good engineer. I am a IAS officer. I am a IPS officer. I am a president. Like this, feel good and feel ready to everyone. Whatever coming a chance, you participate and show your talent. Show your talent. Okay, children. Thank you very much. All the best for your future. Okay. Okay, slowly your teacher told whatever, you slowly move the class wise.